Try this again. Just tried it. I put some in there. It's working, but it's leaking all over the place. So if you've got one of these, I can't remember how much that was though, but it was pretty good. The last good flame to it. You're leaking out everywhere, so that's a quick $3. But I feel it getting heavier. So we need to fill Yunz's. It's going to leak. I guess this way is the best way to do it. Because I can get liquid run over me now. Still got some in the bottle. Get close to this real quick. Pushing hard as I can, so hopefully it won't leak all of it out, but done something. Flame on. Well, you can't see it, but as Paris Hilton said, that's hot. We'll burn that one. I smell rubber burning. Or did I just fart?